Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration, an amalgam of Kashmir-based political parties, has announced on Tuesday that it will take part in the all-parties meeting on Jammu and Kashmir that has been called by the centre and which will take place in Delhi on Thursday. It will be chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, three members of the Alliance National Conference, President Farooq Abdullah, PDP Chief Mehbooba Mufti, and CPIM leader Taregami, Muhammad Yusuf Taregami, will be flying to Delhi to take part in the meeting. Now, this has put all speculations to rest that whether the amalgam will take part in the meeting or who will be the ones who will be participating in that meeting. Now, it's very clear that who all are going. Now, speaking to the reporters at the end of the People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration meet, former Chief Minister Farooq Abdullah said that there is no agenda for the meeting. The leaders will put forth their point of view in the meeting. Former Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti said that there have to be confidence-building measures which should have been taken before the meeting, but nevertheless they are not against any dialogue process. They will go there and they will put forth their stance. She said that the issue of prisoners in different jails across the country, that's a confidence building measure. They have to be released or perhaps shifted back to Jammu and Kashmir. Now, the spokesperson of the alliance, Muhammad Yusuf Taregami, was very clear. He said that they are not going to sign on any proposal. They will first hear what is the proposal. If it is in favor of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, then they'll say yes to it. But if it's not in favor of the people of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, then there will be a big no. He at the same time said that they are not asking for stars. Now, Muzaffar Shah, who heads the Awami National Conference, said that there will be no compromise on Article 370 and 35A, which has been the primary stance of the alliance. Its restoration, People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration, was formed after the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A. This was the group of parties that came together, they insisting and really putting forth their demand that the constitutional change made to Jammu and Kashmir must be reversed. But it's a very significant meeting in the sense that this is the first major reach out by the centre after those constitutional changes were made. Now, all these leaders will be talking to the top leadership of the country, the Prime Minister, the Home Minister.
जैसा आपने सुना कि वज़ीर आज़म की तरफ से दावतनामा आया है और हम उस दावतनामे में जाने वाले हैं। वहाँ पे हमें उम्मीद है कि हम अपने जो मौक़िफ़ है उसको वहाँ पे वज़ीर आज़म साहब और होम मिनिस्टर साहब के सामने रखें और उसके बाद जब वो मीटिंग ख़त्म हो जाएगी हम आपको भी ब्रीफ करेंगे यहाँ पे और दिल्ली में भी उनको ब्रीफ करेंगे कि हमने वहाँ क्या किया, क्या कहा और उनका रद्द-ए-अमल क्या था।
जिन्होंने मीटिंग बुलाई, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया ने, एजेंडा कोई मुकर्रर है या नहीं हमें इतला नहीं, और हमारा मौक़िफ़ जो है PAGD का उसको हम दोहराएंगे उस बड़े ऐवान में, बड़ी लीडरशिप के सामने। वो हमें मौका मिला है, हम अपने आवाम को यकीन दिलाना चाहते हैं।
जम्मू कश्मीर के हवाले से भी ये होना चाहिए था, जो हमारे सियासी कैदी हैं या दूसरे डेटेनीज हैं उनको रिहा किया जाना चाहिए था। अगर वो वाकई चाहते थे कि वो जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों को रीच आउट करना चाहते हैं, हम लोगों को रीच आउट करना चाहते हैं, जिनको पिछले 2 साल से इन्होंने इतना ह्यूमिलेट किया है, तो मैं समझती हूँ कि कम से कम ये उनको करना चाहिए था, मगर इसका कतई मतलब नहीं है कि हम डायलॉग के खिलाफ हैं।
There can be no compromise on 370 and 35A.
So clearly there will be an exchange of ideas and views. Now it may not be just one meeting, there may be a follow-up, a series of other engagements that will follow this meeting, but clearly what is important is that the dialogue process between the mainstream parties of Jammu and Kashmir and the center that will start with this meeting will continue. What will be the outcome of that? That is not clear as yet. There are many issues that are being discussed, the issue of delimitation of or the redrawing of constituencies in Jammu and Kashmir, the statehood, the restoration of Article 370, what all will happen at the end of those engagements and the dialogue process is not known yet, but what is clear is that the process of engagement, the dialogue process that started between the mainstream parties and the center has really started. It has taken off and the ice has finally broken. Now all eyes on the Thursday meeting when these leaders will be going to Delhi and talking to the Home Minister and Prime Minister there. In Srinagar, Zafar Iqbal.
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.